Screws with stripped or damaged heads are a common problem, and knowing how to remove them with the right tools and techniques can save you valuable time and get you out of trouble. In this video, we're going to show you the 4 different types of tools that are used in this situation. Left-handed drill bits, screw extractors, an impact driver, and a rotary tool. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. Left-handed drill bits are designed to drill in an anti-clockwise direction and can be used to remove broken fixings. Firstly, select the left-handed drill bit slightly smaller than the head of the screw. Make sure that the drill is in reverse, then carefully start drilling into the fixing. The drill bit should then bite and cause the screw to unwind due to the anti-clockwise rotation of the drill. If the drill bit doesn't bite, then you may need to use a larger left-hand drill bit. Screw extractors utilize a pre-drilled hole to extract the screw or fixing. These are available in 2 forms: the square-type extractors, which bite into the edges of the round hole, and helix-type screw extractors that screw into the edges of the hole. Start by carefully drilling a hole into the center of the strip screw head, using a drill bit to suit the size of the extractor you'll be using. Square-type extractors can be inserted into the drilled hole and firmly tapped in with a hammer to lock the extractor into place. Helix-type extractors need to be screwed anti-clockwise into the hole until their conical sides lock into the hole. Next, use an adjustable spanner or tap wrench to grip the extractor and twist anti-clockwise to remove the screw. If the extractor doesn't properly grip, drill a slightly larger hole and try again. Impact drivers work by hammering a screwdriver bit firmly into a fixing. This helps to dislodge any corrosion in the threads while rotating to loosen the screw. Make sure that the impact driver is set to loosen, as you don't want to tighten the screw further. Place the impact driver onto the fixing and firmly hammer the top of it with a heavy hammer. Repeat this if necessary until the fixing is loose enough to be removed. A multi-purpose rotary tool can also be used to remove damaged fixings. Use a thin cutting disc and cut a new slot into the top of the screw. This applies to slotted, posi drive and Phillips screw heads. For countersunk screws, this method will cause damage to your workpiece and should only be used if there are no other options. You should then be able to unscrew the fixing with a screwdriver or drill driver using a flathead screwdriver bit. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.